This isn't just rice, it's a warm hug from a Lebanese kitchen. Forget plain rice. Today we're diving into Hashweh, a beloved Lebanese dish that transforms humble ingredients into something rich, savory, and unforgettable. It's spiced rice, ground beef, toasted nuts, and pure comfort. Stay tuned because I'll show you cooking hacks, cultural history, and a foolproof recipe you'll crave weekly. Hashweh literally means stuffing in Arabic. But over time it became a standalone dish in Lebanon, Jordan, Palestine, and Syria. Traditionally, it's used to stuff grape leaves, eggplants, or even roast chicken. But many families love serving it as a complete meal. Why? Because it's packed with spiced meat, buttery rice, and crispy nuts, all in one skillet. Every family has their own spin. Some use lamb, others add cinnamon, but the result is always the same: cozy, nourishing, and heartwarming. Here's what you need to make Lebanese Hashweh for 4 hungry people. 1 cup long grain rice, basmati or jasmine, 1 tablespoon ghee or butter, olive oil if vegan, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 pound ground beef or lamb, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, half teaspoon allspice, half teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups broth, chicken or vegetable, 1/4 cup pine nuts or slivered almonds. Optional, raisins, parsley, or a drizzle of yogurt. These are pantry staples in most Middle Eastern kitchens, especially the cinnamon and allspice combo. It's what gives Hashweh that warm, fragrant depth. Lebanese Hashweh dates back generations. It was the dish that filled the home with smell and soul during Eid, weddings, and family gatherings. The reason? It was affordable, flexible, and felt luxurious, even when money was tight. In the past, this rice would be spooned into roast chickens or lamb for large feasts. Today, it's a weeknight staple. It bridges the old and new, just like Lebanese culture itself. Let's cook. This is a 1-skillet wonder, ready in under 30 minutes. Step 1. Toast the nuts. In a large skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee. Add your pine nuts and toast until golden. Don't walk away, they burn fast. Scoop them out and set aside. Step 2. Sauté the onion and beef. Add more ghee if needed, then sauté the chopped onion until translucent. Add ground beef or lamb and break it apart. Once it browns, sprinkle in cinnamon, allspice, salt, and pepper. Let those spices bloom. It'll smell like a spice market. Step 3. Add the rice. Stir in the rinsed rice so it absorbs all that flavor. This step is crucial. Toast the rice in the fat and meat juices for 1-2 minutes. Step 4. Simmer. Pour in 2 cups of warm broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat to low. Cover and let it steam for 15-18 minutes. No peeking. Step 5. Fluff and finish. Once the rice is done, fluff it gently. Top with those golden pine nuts, chopped parsley, or even a dollop of yogurt or tahini drizzle. Want to make it vegetarian? Use mushrooms or lentils instead of meat. Want to stretch it for a crowd? Add chickpeas or mix in bulgur. Want it fancy? Stir in a handful of raisins for sweet contrast. Use leftover rotisserie chicken. Freeze in meal prep containers. Lasts 3 months. Add pomegranate seeds for color plus tang. Serve Hashweh with a cucumber yogurt salad or tabbouleh. It's perfect for potlucks, Ramadan iftars, or quiet dinners with loved ones. This dish isn't just food, it's tradition. It's the sound of onions sizzling in a Beirut kitchen, the aroma of spices during Eid, the comfort of home on a spoon. If you love this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more authentic Middle Eastern flavors. Drop a comment. What would you stuff with Hashweh? Eggplants? Chicken? Or just a big spoon? Craving more delicious recipes? Hit subscribe and join our foodie family for weekly flavor adventures.